Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Thursday. Thunderous Thursday. How about that? Yesterday, twofold. First thing I did was prepare, actually I prepped dinner, and then I went into chocolate mousse. Very yummy. Kind of a labor-intensive dessert, but man, once I got stuff folded in, and before I put it into the glasses, I took a taste. Oh wow! I have to say, this is not bragging, but what a wonderful chocolate mousse! Oh, and it was just as good later on after it chilled for a few hours after dinner. For dinner, I did a jambalaya pasta. It was very good. I used my Cajun seasoning blend. It was phenomenal. We have plenty of leftovers. I will get both of these recipes up in the group. So yeah, but I want to show you a couple things. Normally, I would clear the dishes from the night before I do my video, as part of my prep and mise en place. As you know, I prep. But I wanted to show you, this is just part of the dishes from yesterday. Most of this is from dinner. The bigger bowls are from the mousse. The other thing I want to show you, here is one of the glasses of mousse, chocolate mousse. Oh, as you can see, my counters are empty. I decided last night, after yesterday was labor intensive for me, I'm taking the day off. We've got plenty of leftovers here with the jambalaya pasta and soup and other things. That I'm just taking the night off. So I'm actually going to work on a few things for the Young People series and some stuff for the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Different type of power. Brain power versus creative versus, So, it's supposed to be nice here today. At least the weather forecast says for the next several days, it's supposed to be nice, no rain, at least here in our part of the North Valley. Hopefully where you're at, the weather is good. Yes. So, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking. Phenomena.